Hello, I'm William Gallagher and this is the 58 Keys channel. Starting next Monday, November the 4th, 2024, the whole channel is adding a second weekly video. It's the 58 Keys writing workshop. It'll come from in there and it will purely be about writing, getting things written. It turns out this is my 30th year as a full-time freelance writer. So I'll tell you how I write something and then I need you to basically disagree with me in the comments. That's the point, isn't it? You and me, two writers, discussing writing. That's it. So that will be every Monday from November the 4th. But a couple of things have come up, things I've been asked about that I just want to make sure you know about, such as, what will this cost? Nothing. It's another video on the channel. I mean, every week, new video on the channel. It'd be nice if you subscribed. Thank you. You could join my Patreon with all sorts of things going on to do with writing. And I suppose if I were clever, I would now have, show you my book where actually a huge amount of the workshops started. Next question that came in so far is, the workshops are videos, okay? I mean, you and I, we may well do some live ones at some point, but the plan is every week, a weekly video workshop. So while it comes out at 7 p.m. UK time every Monday, you can of course just watch it then or anytime afterwards. Last, 58 Keys itself. For 4 years now, 58 Keys has been a Wednesday video specifically for writers, yes, but specifically for writers who use Macs and iPhones and iPads, because that's what I use, that's what I know. The new workshops, though, are for any writer, PC or Mac. Even, have you heard of that? Is it called pen and paper? Whatever that is, yeah, even that. And this is important to me. The Wednesday 58 Keys is continuing exactly as it was. I so hope, right, that both videos are useful to you. So the regular 58 Keys videos continue this Wednesday and the new 58 Keys writing workshops start on Monday, November the 4th at 7 p.m. UK time. For now though, take care of yourself, eh? Write more and I'll see you soon.